Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the KLM 787 made by Daron. This is the second plane I'm going to be unboxing, which I got from the airplane shop. Yeah, let's get into the unboxing. And here is the model. Looks good. It's all painted, which is the best part. And yes, it is made by Daron. It's not a real toy mold anymore. Okay, so starting in the front, we have the SkyTeam Air France KLM logos. KLM logo, the doors. On the engine, it also says KLM. We've got the Flying Dutchman, the European flag, and the Dutch flag, and then 787-9. All in all, it looks like a good model. I don't see any flaws in here. Little white speck in there. Okay. Oh, the cockpit windows are slightly slanted, but it's okay. Yeah, all in all, it's a good model. Looks good. I think this will be a great addition to my collection. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video, which is going to be the Thai Airways A350 unboxing.